I am Bandhavya B, recently graduated with master's degree in Biochemistry from Manasa Gangotri, University of Mysore. During my masters, I had an opportunity to work on a project entitled as Hyperglycemia-Induced Platelet Activation and Aggregation. During this study, I had an opportunity to learn molecular biology techniques like Western blotting, STS-page, agarose gel electrophoresis, and other cell cytotoxicity assays, enzyme assays, and other biochemical assays. During my bachelor's degree, I had an opportunity to work on research paper mainly focusing on antimicrobial activity, antioxidant assays, and phytochemical assays. During those days, I learned about microbiological techniques and antioxidant assays related to plants and phytochemical assays. And I also had an internship related to bioinformatics from Biotecnika, Bioinformatics Winter Internship. And during that internship, I learned about basic tools and techniques in bioinformatics and also learned about some databases such as NCBI, EMBL, PubMed, PFAM, and other tools, bioinformatics tools. I feel my skills and knowledge perfectly align with the company's requirements. If given a chance, I can prove myself. Thank you for the opportunity.